at this time, I would like to ask our remaining contestants to come and stand right next to Vanessa. So that will be contestant number 1, Nancy Yang.
OK， 佢嗰個攞俾佢齊，嗰啲人士啊。
Nancy is sponsored by C-Scan Incorporation.
都 sponsor 你個主細嘅時都係個 C-Scan company。
Nancy, may you please stand right next to the side of my chair? I'm sorry. Thank you. Coming up next will be contestant number 4, Lily Vang.
OK， 呢個大家又到跟齊咁咗，呢個包有幾年，唔係多啲。
Contestant number 3. She's sponsored by A+Bindery Inc.
到細都有 Bindery Inc.
Last but not least, contestant number 8, Selena Vu. Thank you, Selena. Nish sama, share the young.
我叫谁呢？那你那个那啥的那个 ，1, 3, 8. OK， 一样講你先。
At this time, I would like to ask the pageant trustees to come and give me our winners. Staff, please prepare the crown, the sashes, and the moon.
我做了條路，我哋點解睇到啦？我就係嚟到都高冇咧聽，嗰時正聽，哦，really？ 嗰個正啲人聽，嗰個正都係 strong 啲嘅大嘅。
Pageant trustee 都有 more heart attack 嚟，你都做 change。趕緊把 ambulance 來，你know啦。
OK， 把先啦，你不撒跑，你就知道啦。OK， 把先聽。
All right. So if I call out her name, she is our contestant. No, sorry, she is going to be our 3rd place winner or our 2nd runner-up.
好。你啦，俾好你條你俾咗啦。好咧，天杯我哋攞，你仲齊到天杯 ，OK？ 唔係有個唱都冇聽啊，冇不啱拖嚟聽啊，有個就正差就呢個多聽。
All right. So our 2nd runner-up or our 3rd place winner is Selena Vu. Miss Jacinda Lee, our Miss Southern California 2nd runner-up 2013, will be presenting the crown and the sash.
这是个主要都是啊，不清单的这啊。
So who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be Lily or is it gonna be Nancy?
哦，Lily，非常在这里啊。我捡的钱都没来听不着，搞不得不知道国内的情节哪里穿了就不清楚了。脸上呢，对不对？都用照片都晒这个，不就只能动作的这样那样的。
如果被这 crown 然后还丑哎，好。Okay, so the name that I will call next will be our first runner-up or second place winner, and the name that I won't call will be our Miss Hmong Southern California 2015.
Okay, 这就是ตัวปีหูตัวได้ดออย่าตัวที่อ้อเดี๋ยวไปจงใช้จงก็ย่อเขาเซาซึ่งแคลิฟอร์เนียตัวไปชิฮูเบเกติเดียตัวที่อีนะแค่ในป้อนไหนโอเค还接受就全部整。
Staff, 你等把刀就30, okay? All right, so our first runner-up or second place winner is contestant number 1, Nancy Yang. And Miss Vanessa Chong will be crowning her. And that means that our winner is contestant number 3, Lily Bang.
Okay, Lily 也变成OK， 你跟晒啦，睇到啲啦，对不对？啊？哦，我知道，你这是哪一边上呢？对，就是本身的，到底边上呢？到底边上那边了？对对对。
曹妈妈嘛，我也包一点那种血型的是到一片上呢。
我家我的血都我了，生了，我就不理他，这下嘛样了。
这有豆腐片，有被叫 MC
要，然后被我们家这边我 MC 了，被就不理下人才的了的。Hello，谢谢。OK。Đây là một trong trò bữa đầu ở bên trong sân kênh cho Miss South California Upper Top để bắt đầu chi ở đây.
Nancy and Selena, can you please go stand next to Lily?
Ok, Nancy tiếp sẽ là đây một share để Lily.
And at this time, Lily, can you please just take a brief walk so we can see you very well, and then you can come back and sit down.
Ok, đây là gì đây là có kính được rồi.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our Miss Hmong Southern California 2015, Lily Bang.
Lily Bang là cái thành công chưa? Xong ở thành một co bắt đầu chi rồi,